Final section of this classwork starts with the prompt. The average lifespan of a lanternfly is 320 days, with a standard deviation of 38 days. Find the probability a randomly selected lanternfly lives. So, same way we did before, we need to start by identifying what mean and standard deviation they gave us in the prompt. The average lifespan is 320 days, that's our mean. The standard deviation is 38 days, that's our sigma. Here, when question 17 asks us what's the probability that they live less than 300 days, that's asking what's the probability x is less than 300. So we set up our z-score, 300 minus 320 divided by 38. And I put this into the calculator. 300 minus 320 divided by 38 gives me negative 0.526, which I'm going to call negative 0.53. Now that I have a z-score, I need to go to my table, make sure I'm on the negative side. Negative 0.53 points me to a p-value of 0.2981. Because it's a less than question, this is the correct answer. I don't have to change it. For number 18, it asks more than 365 days. So again, I set up my z-score, 365 minus 320 divided by 38. When I put this into my calculator, my z-score is 1.184. Since it's a 4, I can drop and just get 1.18. I make sure I'm on the positive side of my table. When I look for 1.18, I get a p-value of 0.8810. Since it says more than 365 days, we're really looking for p of x is greater than. That means we can't use just the table value. We have to do 1 minus the table value. If I do 1 minus 0.8810, that's how I get 0.1190. For question 19, there's now 2 different x values that we got to find between. We haven't done either previously, so we need to set up 2 different z-scores. We're finding the probability that 330 is less than x, which is less than 340. So I set up a z-score for 330 and a z-score for 340. When I put these into my calculator, for the first one, 330, I get 0.26. For the second one, 340, I get 0.53. I need to look each of them up on the positive side of the table. 0.26 gets me to 0.6026. When I look up 0.53, I get p equals 0.7019. For between questions, we take the larger p-value minus the smaller p-value. When I put that in my calculator, 0.7019 minus 0.6026, I get an answer of 0.0993. Since that 0.0993 represents between 330 and 340, this outside area is the answer to the question less than 330 or more than 340. So instead of separately finding these by taking less than for my this value and then 1 minus this for my greater than value, the easier way to do it is just to do 1 minus the between. The between was 0.0993. If I do 1 minus that, I get 0.9007. That is the correct answer, and that's the easiest way to get there.